Okay. I think everybody got about average case, best case, as well as worst case. Few people got it, I think. Now see here with the DAC, nothing but divide and conquer. Suppose, please observe these conditions very carefully. Observe these conditions very carefully. Suppose if the array is small, suppose, I will say, suppose if array is small, think like that. If the array is very small, not required. Then what you will going to do? Nothing but array is small is nothing but what? Only two indices. Okay, only two indices like that. So that time you wanted to find what is that? One, okay, or two indices you will going to find it here. One or two indices you will going to have. Yes or not? If it is a small, small is nothing but what? Two indices is there, nothing but that is what exactly the meaning is. I wanted to find what is that? Maximum as well as minimum. Yes or not? How many comparisons you read for this? How many comparisons you people require? Tell me. It is a small array having only two indexes. Okay, 1 and 2. How many comparisons you will going to use? How many comparisons? How many comparisons? Hello. Only one comparison? Yes or not? Only one comparison. One comparison is required. Yes or not? Only one index and two index are there. Then how many comparisons you will do? You will do only one comparison. Yes or not? Automatically, what you will going to get it? You will going to get the maximum as well as minimum. Suppose think like that. Case 2. This is the case 1 I'm telling. Again, sir, okay, we understood this one, no problem. Suppose what exactly I'm talking about here, small is nothing but, think like that. I have an array, something like 700, again 50. Okay, index is 1 and 2. Only two indices are there. Now you know, right? What is maximum and which is minimum? So I will going to consider this one as 700 as a maximum and 700 as minimum. I will going to compare with this. Automatically you will get to know 700 is the maximum. Okay, this is the maximum. Again, 50 is the minimum. You will going to get it. How many comparisons I did? Only one comparison. Yes or not? Only one comparison I did. So if it is a small, array is a small. If it is a small, this is what case 1. Again, case 2. So what is that case 2, sir? See here. If the case 2, okay, if array is very big, big is nothing but what? More than two elements here. Okay, more than two elements or more than two plus elements. Suppose think like that. I have an array like this. Okay, I have an array. Index is starting from 1, again ending at 9. Okay. Now I told you very clearly, if the array is like this, what you have to do? You have to divide the array into two parts. How will going to divide? That is what? First index plus last index divide by 2. If you do, you will going to get the middle element. This is called it as middle, I will say, M. So what is the middle? You will going to get it 1 plus here 1 plus 9 divide by 2. What is the value you will going to get it? What is the value you will going to get it? 5, correct? Is it correct? 5? Please message me. Message is enough. Okay, done. So 5 we are getting. That is fine. Here I will going to place it 5. Now think like that. We have a year. Everybody, please observe here. Year. I am talking about here. In this place, we have element 55 and 23. Again here in this place. Please observe in this place. Okay, we have elements 80 and 4. Now what I will do to find the maximum here, to find the minimum here, or to find the maximum and minimum both the sides, what I will going to do? I will going to use using, okay, using recursion. Please understand, using recursion. So what I can able to find max and minimum. If this array is like this, use the recursion and find the maximum as well as minimum. That is what exactly I'm talking about here, to understand why the divide and conquer is more important. Exactly. Divide and conquer is more important. That is the reason why recursion will going to play an important role here. Okay. Now assume, please everybody assume, please, please you people assume here, assume 55 is there, again 23 is there, and 80 is there, again what is that, 4 is there. Now it will going to check 50 with 80. Yes or not? Because when you do the recursion, when you do the recursion, you got the maximum, you got the minimum. You got the maximum, you got the minimum. That is what maximum you got it, minimum you got it. Maximum for this particular array. Again for this particular array, you got the maximum, this is minimum. For this one, you got the maximum, this is the minimum, you got it. Now maximum you got it because of recursion. Here also because of recursion, you got the maximum here. Now very simple. Compare with these two, maximum to maximum. Okay, maximum to maximum, you will go to compare. Finally, what you will do? Combine. Finally, combine. When you compare this one, which is the maximum here? 80 is the maximum. That's it. Over. You got the maximum or not? That's it. That is what we call it as combine. Again, combine with this minimums. Okay, what is that? 23 and 4. Which is the minimum? 4. 4 is the minimum. Over na? Over na? Is it easy to find maximum and minimum? That is the reason why divide and conquer is very powerful. Whatever it may be, whenever using in arrays, okay, wherever you want it, you can able to use the algorithm divide and conquer, and you can able to find it. Okay, so this is the techniques you have to follow. Okay, let's go a little bit further. Okay, let's go a little bit further about this. We will understand what exactly. I think you people got that one right. Now see here, very important one. Okay, so let's take an example. One example I'm taking here, guys. This one is, be careful. This is very important. I'm taking an example here. See here. Nice class is going on. Don't worry. So I will going to take an example, that is take some values here, 10, again 80, okay, 20, 7, 90, 120, 3, all these elements. These are all the elements. I will take the indices also. 1, I will write in different color if you like it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now these are all the indices. You people understood, right? Now I told you we will going to use the recursion to divide the array. Yes or not? We will going to divide. After that, we will going to apply the recursion. All those things I said. Now, sir, how you will going to do this? Very simple. How you will going to do this, sir? I will show you. Don't worry. Let's take. I will going to use tree here. I will going to use the tree technique. Everybody, please observe. Everybody, please observe here. So what I will going to do? Small code I will going to write here. See here, everyone. So what I have to find it? I have to find the maximum and minimum, right? In this, I wanted to find maximum as well as minimum. I showed, that is one more way I showed you. Here there is a one more way using recursion. I am telling you. When you come to the trees and all, you will going to use a recursion or not? That is what exactly I will do. I will going to use the tree, and I will going to find the I will going to use the recursion, and I will going to find the answer. I will show you that also. Don't worry. Let's take, this is an array. I will say this is an array. Correct? This is an array A. That's why I will going to say A here. A, where it is starting from 1. Correct? Starting from 1. Where it is ending? It is ending at 7. Okay. So what I wanted to find, these are the inputs. I am telling you, these are the inputs. What I wanted to find, what I have to find? Max. As well as what I have to find? Minimum. Okay. That's it. Clear, everybody? Everybody clear? Why I'm writing A? Array. Why I'm writing 1? First index. Why I'm writing 7? Last index. Why I'm writing maximum? I have to find it. Why I have to write minimum? I have to find it. Okay. To find the maximum, to find the minimum, should I divide the array? Yes, absolutely. You have to divide the array. Correct or not? I have to divide the array. If I divide 1 plus 7 divided by 2, what you will going to get it? You will going to get the value 4. Here you will going to divide. Yes or not? Up to here you will going to divide or not? So that is what exactly I'm talking about here. Now, what I will going to do? I will going to write like this. Okay. Here. Array. And one more important thing. I forgotten to tell you. Here. See here. Am I using any kind of divide and conquer approach here? Not at all. No, I am not using any kind of technique that is called as divide and conquer. Just I am comparing. That's it. Understanding. That is the reason why I brought this technique. I am not using divide and conquer. Okay, I'm not using here. I'm not at all using this technique. Okay, I'm not at all using this technique over here. But here, please here, but here I am using that one. So that's why when I divide this one, what I'm getting here, exactly what I'm getting, basically I've divided into this array into two parts, nothing but divide by 2. So what happens here? Array I got it, that is A. Again, where it is starting point 1, that is fine. Where is the ending point now? Right now it's up to 4, divided up to 4, that is 4. What we have to find? Maximum, and minimum. For that, can I keep the dash here? Okay, so up to 4 here, maximum I have to find it and minimum I have to find it. Nothing but two dashes are maximum and minimum. Okay, again this one array also I divided. Yes or not? This array also I divided. Again from 5 to 7. Please understand, from 5 to 7. Yes or not? So right here. Okay, 5 to 7. Array A. Okay, starts from where? 5. Ends at where? 7. What we have to find? Maximum. What we have to find? Minimum. Clear? Everybody clear? Everyone clear? You should not have any doubts here when we are doing something over here. Fine. That is also okay. Can I able to get the answer over here? No. Still, please divide the array into number of parts to make it small. If you make the array into small, you will going to get the answer. That is the reason why I showed you this one. Please observe. That is the reason why I showed this one. Small, one comparison. If it is big, divide and apply the recursion. Okay. So that's what exactly I did here. Again, here. Again, I will going to take this one, right side and left side. And there is this. Fine. Now what I will do here also. Again, what I will do, please observe here. Again, what I will going to do, I will going to divide that particular array from 1 to 4. I will go to from this up to here to here. Again, from here to here. Two parts are over. Okay, that's what. Again, I will going to divide this one into two parts. Again, I will going to divide this one. What happens here? 1 to 2. Again, 3 to 4. Nothing but what? A. Okay. 1, 2. Again, maximum, minimum. Okay, again here also same thing. Divided as this array I divided or not? That is the reason why. A. What is that? From 3 to 4, starting from 3, again ending at 4. What is that? Maximum and minimum. Correct? Everybody okay? Everyone okay or not? Nothing but see here. What is the size of the array right now? It became smaller, not? It became so small. Now one comparison more than enough to identify maximum and minimum. Yes or not? It became so small. Nothing but like this it happened. See here. What is that? It became like this. One array. This is one array. First, I divided like this completely. Correct? Huh? Like this it became. Now in this we know that what is maximum? 80 is maximum. What is minimum? 10 is minimum. Correct or not? Correct or not? That is what exactly I'm talking about here. Again, come back here. What's okay? I think you people got it. Now check with this. Check with this, everybody. Again, I have taken here 1, 2. Now see here, same process. 5 to 7. Yes or not? 5 to 7. If I divide here, please observe here. If I divide here, what happens? You will going to get 2. This two, again this one separate. Nothing but what? Here array A starts from where? 5 to 6. Okay, now 5 to 6. Again, I have to say maximum, I have to say minimum. That's it. Again, what is left here? Again, array A starting from where? 7. Ending at where? 7. Yes or not? What is that? Maximum, minimum, I have to find here. That's it. Now, please everybody observe here. What I have done is, we have used the tree. Yes or not? We have used the binary tree. Correct or not? We have used the binary tree. That is the reason why trees are very helpful in data structure. That is the one reason you have to learn the data structure. Okay, that is the one reason you have to learn the trees. Using trees, I can solve any problem if it is comes under DSC. Clear? Everybody clear? Yes or not? You tell me yes or not. Message me. That's why see the technique, how it is going. Yes or not? See the technique, how it is going. Now, sir, you written everything, it's okay. You written everything, that's fine. I got it. What is this circle is exactly, sir? This circle is nothing but function call. Every circle here, function call. Every circle is function call. Okay, every circle is a function call here. Now, I wanted to get the answer for maximum. I wanted to get the answer for minimum. Then, if you want to get the answer for max, if you want to get the answer for min, you should solve this tree. Then only you will going to get the answer. Yes or no? Then only you will going to get the answer. So what now, please observe, if you are able to understand all the circles, whatever the circles we have written here, everybody please observe, whatever the circles we have written, everything is a function call, including this also. This is a root actually. Please understand, this is the root. Already I explained. This is the root actually. These are all children's. Again, this is a parent. Again, these are all children's. Like that. Now, I think everybody got this one. Now, please observe. Please observe here. Very simple. Now, I want to complete this. I want to complete this. Nothing but you need two children's help or not? Absolutely, we need two children's help. If I want to complete this, I want two children's help. If I want to complete this, I want two children's help left and right. Okay, now please observe. Everybody observe. Please, everybody carefully here. Function calling sequence. Here, whatever the function call we have done, nothing but recursion we have done. Function calling sequence. Function calling sequence. Okay, function calling sequence is called it as, what is this? Pre-order. It's called pre-order. Here, pre-order. That's why I told you, you have to learn the trees. Very, very important actually. It's a pre-order. Got it? Everybody got it? Okay. Suppose, think like that. This is the C1. Suppose everybody consider this is a C1. Okay. What it will do? It will going to divide into two parts. It will become C2 and C3. Again. Yes or not? Everybody see here? Sorry, wait a minute. So when it do the recursion, first it will going to do the left side or not? First it will pre-order is nothing but left. It will go to the left, right, left. First it will going to complete the left. After that it will go to the root. Again it will come to the right. That is what pre-order. Left. Yes or not? First it will go to the left. After that root. After that right. That is the order it is passing. Nothing but what? First it will going to do the recursion. Nothing but function calling sequence it will going to do. It will going to create the C2. After that it will going to create C3 here. Okay, after that it will going to create C4. After completing this entire process, it will come to here. That is what we call it as C5. Again left, it will become C6. Again right, it will become C7. That's it, over. Correct? Correct? This is what? This is the pre-order. Function calling sequence is here. It's a pre-order. Okay. Now, see, if I complete this one, I will going to get the maximum here as well as minimum here. Okay, if I complete this one, until that you will not going to get here. Yes or not? You tell me, you will going to get here. So to get the answer over here, you have to complete this also. Nothing but C3 you have to complete as well as C4 you have to complete. Then only you will going to get the answer here. To get the answer here, maximum and minimum, you have to complete this one C2 as well as C5. To get the answer for C5, which we have to complete C6 as well C7. Correct or not? We have to complete C6 as well as C7. Then only we will going to get the answer for this one C5. Okay. So now you can ask me, sir, until where we have to do this tree you created, binary tree, until where we have to do this? Until you get the leaf node, this one, until you get the leaf node. All these leaf nodes are there now. Until you get the leaf nodes, you have to do the recursion. Clear, everyone? So pre-order, you people know already, C1, C2, C3. Is there not? C1, C2, C3, C4, like this. Pre-order is nothing but what? Exactly C1, C2, C1, C2, C3, again C4. Correct or not? C1, C2, C3, after that C4. Again it will come back, again C5, again C6, again C7, again C5, C6, C7. This is the pre-order. Clear? Anybody have problem here? So this is what, again, one more thing, please understand, every function call is it's a main method. Actually, every function call, whatever the function, you can be able to see these circles, every function call is a main method here. Again, function execution I will going to do here. Function execution, function execution, function execution, that will be a post order. Post order. What is that post order basically? Now see everybody, C3. Okay, C3. After that it will go to the C4. Okay, first C3, nothing but what? Left. After that right. Again what it will go? Root. Yes or not? Left, right, again root. That is what? C3, C4, C2. C3, C4, C2. Clear? This is the series. Again for this one also, C6, C7, like this. C6, C7, after that C5. Okay, if you want this answer, please here. If you want function execution, nothing but I created a division for that one. Function calling is nothing but what? I am creating a division here. Okay, division. For function execution, what I'm doing? I'm getting the answer. I'm getting the answer. Okay, in pre-order I'm doing division. In post-order I'm getting an answer. Correct or not? So that is over. After that, what you will do? C2, C5. Again, you will going to get the C1 value. That's it. Over here. Yes or not? That's it. Over. So this is the process. Now, please everybody. Okay, please everybody see here. What I'm doing, I will going to finish right now. Within few minutes, I will going to finish. Don't worry. So you people have understood, right? Everybody, you people understood, right? Now, basically, if you want to implement this one, everybody see here. Basically, if you want to implement this one, what we need, basically, I will going to use the data structure. See here, everyone. I will going to use the data structure. I will going to use this data structure that is called a stack. Because we are doing recursion, where it will go? It will go to the stack or not? It will go to the stack or not? First function, this is C1 function, where it will go? Just I will go to write here. Just I will go to write here. See here, I will going to create a stack here. Everybody, please. First function, what is that? C1 function, it will go. Okay, C1 function, it will go. After that, okay, I told you it's a pre-order, right? It's a pre-order, right? First one, it's a pre-order. What it will go? It will going to call again C2 function. Okay, C2 is over. After that, what it will do? Please observe here. What it will do? After that, it will going to create a C3 function. Correct? It will go to call the C3 function. Now I have to identify the value for this or not. I wanted to identify the value for this or not. Now please observe everybody. I wanted to identify the value for C3 or not. So I will go to identify what is the value 10 and 80. What is the minimum in this 10? What is the maximum in this 80 over? After finishing this, should I take this C3 here? No, cancel it. Pop out. Function calling is nothing but pre-order. When you are doing pre-order is nothing but push operation you people are doing. Nothing but whenever this tree is created, whenever this circle is created, nothing but function call is happening. Nothing but stack is creating. Stack push operation is doing. Nothing but so C1 call, nothing but push happened. Okay, C2 call, nothing but push happened. Okay, C3 call, nothing but push happened. Again, you are finding the answer 80 and 10. Okay, after finding the 80 and 10, okay, this is over. That is over. Basically, we are doing the execution now. Right now, we are doing the execution. Yes or not? Again, we will go to the C4. Nothing but post order. Post order for function call, that is pre-order, for execution post order. So I am executing this one right first. Sorry, left first. After that, right. I can come here. 3 to 4. 3 to 4. Which is greater here? 20. Maximum is 20. What is the minimum? 7 over. What is the minimum? 7 over. Okay, this one also over. Fine, getting everyone? Fine, nothing but everybody got it. Nothing but what we are doing exactly. See, here C1 is there, C2 is there. I wanted to execute. I cannot able to go directly here because C2, I wanted to complete C2 is nothing but which is required. C4 is required or not. See, C3, we got the answer 80 and 10. That is okay, fine, no problem. For C, to get the value for C2, maximum and minimum, I need to complete C3 as well as C4. Then only I will get it. That is the reason why. See the stack here. C1, after that C2. So C3 we got the answer. Pop out. Again C4 here. C4. This is the way. This is the stack way. Okay, now this is the stack. Clear everyone? Everybody understood or not? Now you got the answer. Yes or not? You got the answer. Fine. You got the answer. Then what is the use of having C4 here? Pop out. Pop out. That's it. Now compare these two. Everybody please here. Compare these two. Okay, compare these two. What is the answer? You will going to get it. I will tell you. This is called it as combined. So what is the final answer? You will going to get it. 80. Here 80. Again, what is the minimum? You will going to get it. 7. That's it. Okay, 7. That's it. Correct or not? Now C2 is also over or not? Pop out. Over. We got the answer. Then what is the use of C2? Now C1 is there. To complete this C1, everybody observe here. To complete this C1, left side is over. Right side we have to execute. Again, I have to go to the C5 or not. To complete C5, I have to go to C6 or not. Again, I have to go to C7 or not. That is what exactly I'm doing here. Now C1, okay, in the stack, already we know that we will going to call, what is that? C5. To complete C5, what is required? We required C6. Here we required C6. Okay, so this is my next stack. This is stack, second stack, third stack. C6, guys. This is C6. Clear? Everybody clear? To complete C5, absolutely I need C6 as well as C7. If I don't have C6 and C7, can I able to find the maximum minimum for this particular C5? No, not at all. So that is the reason why. What happens here? Now you check it. Okay, 90 and 120. What is the maximum here? You check it. What is the maximum here? 120 is the maximum. 90 is the minimum. C6 is over, then we have to keep this one. No, delete it. That's it. Pop it. Again, we have C5. Okay, C5. To complete C5, okay, this one is okay. We call this one. To complete C5, C7 is required or not? Again, stack C1, C5, again C7. I'm calling C7. So I wanted to execute C7. In the C7 here, which is maximum, which is minimum? 3 is the maximum and 3 is the minimum. That's it right here. 3 is the maximum, 3 is the minimum. Okay, now compare each other. Okay, now compare each other and combine. What is the value we're going to get it? 120 with 3, maximum, which is maximum? 120, 90 and 3, which is the minimum? 3. We got the answer 120. Okay, and 3. We got it. Correct or not? We got it. Now, finally, what I will going to do? So we got this one C7. Then we should keep this one C7. Pop out over. Again, we got the C5 also. Now here also same thing. Compare 80 with 120. What is the maximum? Maximum is 120. Hmm. Maximum is 120. Again compare with 7 and 3. Which is the minimum? 3 is the minimum. Then C2, C5, C5 also over. This one. C5 also over. Yes or not? Delete it. Yes or not? We got the value 120 and 3. And then we have to keep that one. No. And finally combine these two, you will going to get the answer. You got the answer for C1, so then delete stack. That is what exactly we are using tree here as well as stack here. This is the internal process which will going to happen in algorithms. That's why I given a brief explanation. Nobody will do this, but I given a brief explanation. What is this exactly? Okay, whenever you will going to create, it will going to pop the stack. Again, whenever you will going to execute, it will going to, sorry, whenever you will going to create, it will going to push the operation. Whenever you will going to execute, it will going to pop it. That is what exactly I told you. So this is also one way to get the minimum and maximum. Clear everyone? In next class, guys. Now you can ask me, sir, okay, sir, you understood everything. This line, please observe here. You understood everything. Okay, not a problem. Now see how many pushes are happening here based on number of levels. What is the level? This is level 1, level 2, level 3. Okay. How many levels? Only 3 levels. 3 levels. 3 level is 3 level. 3 levels is there. Yes or not? 0, 1, 2. Nothing but 3 levels are there. You can also see here 3 stack units got created. Yes or not? 3 stack units got created. Got created. Okay, this is the best thing I have given to you people. So in the tree, only 3 levels are there. Yes or not? Only 3 levels are there. 1, 2, 3. Again in the stack also, within 3 units of stack, we will going to complete this execution. This is the best finding of minimum and maximum. You can able to see this. I think we have completed this one, all the examples in divide and conquer, and we will see the code for this tomorrow. Okay, so thank you very much for this, and please go through this one. Really beautiful thing. This is beautiful things I did it today. Please go and watch. If you not understood once again, you will understand surely. Okay.